NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.2, Question 8. The point A, 2, 7 lies on the perpendicular bisector of line segment joining the points P, 6, 5 and Q, 0, -4. We have to check if this statement is true or false. Let us find the answer. We are given points on the line segment P, Q and point on the perpendicular bisector, point A. If point A lies on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining P and Q, then by definition, distance from A to P must be equal to distance from A to Q. Now let us draw a line segment joining P and Q and then a perpendicular bisector, a point A on the perpendicular bisector. And what is the basic definition? Distance from A to point P must be equal to distance from A to Q. Now let us find these two distances. Distance AP. Let us take the 2 points AP and consider the first point A as x1, y1 and point P as x2, y2. And what is the formula to find the distance between these 2 points? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute the points A and P in the distance formula. Root over x2 is 6 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is 5 minus y1 is 7 whole square equal to root over 6 minus 2 is 4 square plus 5 minus 7 is minus 2 whole square, which is equal to root over 4 square is 16 plus minus 2 whole square is 4, which is equal to root over 20. Therefore, the distance from A to P is root over 20. Now let us find the distance AQ. Let us consider the points A, x1, y1 and Q, x2, y2. And the distance formula between these 2 points is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute the points A and Q in this distance formula, which is equal to root over x2 is 0 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is minus 4 minus y1 is 7 whole square equal to root over 2 square plus minus 11 whole square, root over 4 plus 121, root over 125. Therefore, the distance from point A to point Q, root over 125. From these two distances AP and AQ, we can say that distance AP is not equal to distance AQ, which means the point A does not lie on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining P and Q. From this conclusion, we can say that the given statement is false. The point does not lie on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining P and Q.